Today we'll be installing the STEDI Ford license plate LED assembly into a Ford Ranger Raptor. So this housing here, this entire black section pops out. So you reach your hand all the way back. There's two clips on this this section here closest to the number plates. So you unclip one, unclip the other. So it's these two here. So you press them down as you're pushing the housing out, and you'll see the original halogen unit. So this will just twist anti-clockwise and will come out. You'll see these globes get extremely hot. It might be discoloured there, but that's just a little T10 wedge globe. So with this original unit, we need to get this out. So there's a little metal clip here. Just press down on that as you're pushing it through, and it will just pop out. With the STEDI unit, open the box. There's two within, little instruction card there. They're both exactly the same, they're not handed. So this is a fully sealed unit, and it has a little T10 wedge here. That installs into the original wedge globe position, and it plugs in like that. So pretty simple, but we'll install it into the housing first. So it's a firm fit, just push it through until that clicks into place. Plug it into the wedge, that's also a firm fit. And then reach around, line it back up and click it into place.